As science shows many people experience side effects that harm the digestive system after taking conventional antibiotics, it is no wonder that natural antibiotics are becoming all the rage these days. 9 natural antibiotics that kill bacteria in your body. 1. Garlic and onion. Both garlic and onion contain anti-cancer, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. According to the journal publication Pharmacognosy Reviews, at the time when antibiotics and other pharmacy products did not exist, a bulb of garlic itself represented a whole pharmacy industry due to the broad spectrum of effects. 2. GOLDENSEAL. Typically used to treat urinary tract infections and bacterial diarrhea, GOLDENSEAL is yet another potent antibiotic. Recent studies show that it can be used to prevent MRSA from damaging tissue too. 3. Ginger root. Ginger can be eaten fresh, dried, or powdered. You can also take it as an extract, tincture, oil, lozenge, or capsule. It is a potent antibiotic, pain reliever, and anti-inflammatory agent, capable of relieving motion sickness and nausea, among other things. 4. Cloves. Cloves kill off bacteria, plaque, and gingivitis, which reduces inflammation of the gums and improves oral health. In one study, a mouth rinse made of tea tree, basis, and clove oil killed more oral bacteria than conventional mouth rinse. 7. Thyme. Thyme essential oil is a natural antimicrobial and antiseptic agent which can be used to prevent eczema, acne, and similar skin conditions. Make sure you combine it with olive or coconut oil prior to applying it topically, due to its potency. 5. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is a potent antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory agent which treats infections, parasites, and the common cold. Taking it as a supplement protects the skin from harmful bacteria. 6. Coconut oil. As a natural antibiotic, coconut oil helps cure candida, warts, inflammation, and coughs. It is also a potent antifungal, antiviral, and antimicrobial agent which prevents dangerous pathogens from entering the digestive system. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce the symptoms of various conditions, including gout, arthritis, and acne. 8. Honey. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which is often used to treat cuts and minor injuries. Amazingly, studies show that honey kills more than 60 different types of bacteria. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.